Imagine this. You want to speak English every day.
But sometimes you don't know what to say.
Today, we will practice many useful English sentences.
These sentences will help you speak English in daily life.
They are simple, clear, and easy to remember. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Happy English.
Hello, friends. Welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today, we will practice daily English sentences together.
Listen carefully and repeat with us.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine.
I am fine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
My name is Tom.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
I am from the United States.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I am studying English.
I am studying English.
Please help me.
Please help me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
You are welcome.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I am sorry.
I am sorry.
No problem.
No problem.
I understand.
I understand.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that?
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
What does this mean?
What does this mean?
How do you say this in English?
How do you say this in English?
I like this.
I like this.
I don't like that.
I don't like that.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It is 10 o'clock.
It is 10 o'clock.
I am busy today.
I am busy today.
I am free today.
I am free today.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Let's meet tomorrow.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I need some rest.
I need some rest.
Let's take a break.
Let's take a break.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
I am going home.
I am going home.
What are your plans?
What are your plans?
I will call you later.
I will call you later.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Take care.
Take care.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Good luck.
Good luck.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Great job, everyone.
You practiced many useful English sentences today.
Practice these sentences every day.
Speaking every day will improve your English.
Comment below and tell us your favorite sentence.
We would love to hear from you.
Thank you for listening to Happy English.
Please subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.